Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and removing all cables. Do it now. Once powered off, open the lower case using a P5 pentalobe. Keep screws organized by length because reassembly depends on correct placement. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lift the lower case gently with a plastic pick to avoid damage. Make sure to disconnect the battery first because you will touch internal connectors. This prevents short circuits while you proceed to access the button area. Once the battery is disconnected, remove any brackets or cables obstructing access to the button. Trackpad removal is common on many models. You will inspect the mechanism for debris or torn plastic clips. Cleaning with compressed air and a soft brush clears dust. If a dome switch or key retainer is damaged, swap in a replacement part. Press-fit clips must be reseated cleanly. Make sure to route cables exactly as they were. Because misalignment can cause rubbing or unresponsive, you reattach the lower case and reconnect the battery, then power on to verify the button works. Press several times to confirm tactile feel and response. Reinstall screws into their original holes, tightening gently so you do not strip threads or crack the chassis. If the button remains unresponsive, perform an SMC and NVRAM reset to rule out firmware issues. Swap in a known good replacement part if available, and only then consider professional repair. Do this because continued stress can cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.